Well, February 22nd, 2017, it's well above 60 degrees here in Nebraska. Remarkable weather. I don't know if my battery is still up. Well, it's been sitting here since November. Well, I got a switch the guy gave me. I just got this from a guy this last fall. And the switch that he gave me was the wrong one. I haven't went in to get one yet. But it started up. I'm happy about that. In the spring I'll change oil and get her moved around. Hopefully next year I'm going to have a shed to put all this stuff in. But a couple days ago I started my rotor tiller and it took about 10 pulls. I had it covered up, and the box that I had over top of it blew off. And we're supposed to get some rain tomorrow. I should cover it up today. But it's got one of these Chinese Harbor Freight motors, and I think this motor is about 4 years old. And now that I did that on camera, it's not going to go back in, I suppose. There we go. But it took about 10 pulls, but it did start. So it was running since spring also, or since fall. It was sitting out in the weather. And I'm real happy with this motor. A lot of people don't like Harbor Freight stuff, but hey, I have replaced that pull starter on it one time, and for what care it gets, it's been a great motor. Well, I was so happy yesterday. I had all them cold starts after months of sitting, and the weather was so nice. Today it's shitty and raining, and I was coming home from work, and this thing got hot on me, and I didn't know it in time, and now I do got problems. Not that I'm going to be out much, but I don't foresee me fixing this. Ah, shoot, I left my keys in the house. Don't sound too bad at the night, but you can hear a little clitter and clatter in there. Lots of white smoke. Or so some of that might be exhaust. You can hear that though. I think she's done for.